So, you think that's mashed potatoes? Well, it's not. It's faux potatoes. Yes, faux. F-A-U-X. They're not real potatoes. And no, I don't mean they're boxed. I mean, that's cauliflower. Cauliflower, you guys. And it's so freaking good. Yes, I just tasted it. I put our, let me see, Smart Balance Healthy Choice butter and some pepper and a little no salt for the measurement of our quantity for the day. And wow, I'm not even gonna lie. I first off, by consistency, would have never known this was not mashed potatoes, but what's more important is taste. I had a preconceived notion that